Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello, welcome to InstaForex economic news channel with us, Kate Stikhina
and Tahmina Salomova.
You are watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
What is the news from the currency market?
The American dollar dropped at the end of last week.
And what sparked the bearish mood?
Fear is cyber trade wars pushed the buck down. Investors sold the greenback after President Donald Trump said the United States will impose tariffs on steel and aluminium imports. Against the euro, the dollar fell to 1.2327, giving away 0.2% on the week. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen rallied to 105.72 against the dollar, its highest level since November 2016. Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda said the central bank would start thinking about exiting its quantitative easing program in 2019. The yen rose by 1.1% for the week. The pound sterling went up to 1.3790 after falling to a session low of 1.3756. On the week, sterling gained 1.3%. Versus the Canadian dollar, the greenback strengthened to 1.2872. While Canada is in focus due to US trade policies, which is weighing on the Canadian currency, its GDP by industry in December also undercut expectations. On the week, the greenback gained 1.9% against its Canadian rival. The US dollar weakness was a continuation of the downbeat mood that started Thursday after Donald Trump said he would sign orders next week imposing a 25% tariff on steel imports and a 10% tariff on aluminium. He said trade was good and easy to win. Bitcoin gained 14.08% last week, closing at $11,052.62 on Friday. The weekly gain may not have been spectacular relatively to historical weekly gains, but a move back through to $11,000 was certainly key. This is all about the currency moves for now. What about the mood and commodity markets?
Oil prices finished high on Friday, but still suffered their first losing week in 3.
And what pushed the quote down?
The prospect of a rising US production and OPEC's ongoing efforts to rid the market of excess supplies. US West Texas Intermediate futures for April delivery closed at $61.25 a barrel. The US benchmark spent most of the session lower, following to an intraday low of $60.13. WTI crude declined by 3.6% for the week. May Brent crude futures advanced to $64.37 a barrel. The contracts hit a 2-week low of $63.19 on Thursday. Over last week, Brent lost 4%. Gold prices rose on Friday as the threat of a global trade war pushed shares and the dollar lower and spurred demand for assets such as bullion that are seen as safer investments. Spot gold was up at $1,321.06 an ounce. US gold futures traded higher at $1,322.14 an ounce. Gold was, however, down by 0.6% last week. The metal touched $1,302.61, the lowest since January 2nd on Thursday, pushed down by expectations that the US Federal Reserve will raise interest rates more aggressively than previously thought.
Kate, many thanks for the commodity market review. You have watched InstaForex weekly review of the currency and commodity market with us, Kate Stikhina
and Tahmina Salomova.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.